Welcome to my hands-on review on the Televes Dual Input Amp. So I'm at my parents' place. They have a UHF antenna with a VHF add-on on the roof, and we are getting some channels pretty well, but there are some that are a little bit low powered and we want to make them a little bit better. So I picked up this amp from Televes. We already plugged in a RG6 cable for the one input that's going to the antenna, or coming from the antenna, I should say, into the amp. We got to put the other side for the VHF, and then we'll hook this thing up. First, I want to show you the signal strength. So I have an HD home run tuner. We'll come up to the first channel here, as you can see. So the first channel should be channel 10, and channel 10 comes in all right. Sometimes it's a little low and it cuts out. So this morning it's pretty good. We want to make it a little bit more stable as we move forward. Channel 14, now this is the one that is a problem for us. It's stable right now, but most of the time it does not stay stable. So this is the channel we want to basically get a little bit better. 18 is pretty good. The strength could be better to make it a little bit more stable, but all in all, it stays relatively well. 19 also pretty good. Again, we would like to make it a little bit more stable. 20 is our best channel. As you can see, signal and symbol quality both 100%. Symbol, if it's not 100%, it's going to be pixelated, but I digress. Signal strength 74. You want at least 75 to, there it goes. It was right on cue. You want at least 75 to make it pretty good. Move up here. 29 should pop in. 29 is also pretty good, but again, we want that signal strength to be a little bit better. As you see, it cut out there for a second. So, and we're supposed to be picking up 35, but it could just be, as you can see, it skipped over 35. So I'm gonna stop that. Pop in channel 35 here. Oops. And as you can see, the signal strength's pretty low, so it's not even picking up the channel, but hopefully with this bad boy, it will, hopefully this will help bring it in, but I'm not holding my breath. So we'll get into getting it installed on the roof, and we'll come back and we'll see what the signal strengths and signal qualities are. So after getting the dual input Televes preamplifier installed in the antenna on the roof, we got much better signal, and I'm going to show you in just a second that it is a little bit better. So channel 10 is our first channel, which is VHF. Signal strength is a lot better. The quality is a little bit better, and it's stable, so it locks the channel in great. Going next would be channel 14. Channel 14 is okay. Right now, great strength and quality. However, we don't get the symbol quality. And if the symbol quality isn't coming in, the channel's not coming in. We might have to turn the antenna a little bit to get this channel, but overall it should be okay. We might get it at night, the way it's pointed, so, and it's not a big deal. It usually shows older stuff. Next channel, channel 18. A lot better. It used to hover in the 70s for strength, and quality was in the mid 60s, I believe. But now it's in the 90s and 80s, which is fantastic. Channel 19, same thing, 90s and 80s. Channel 20, basically almost perfect, like 95 to 100% on both the strength and quality. Channel 29, I believe, is the next one. Yeah, channel 29, 88, 89%, 77, basically low to mid 70s for the quality. Again, great. We were hoping to get channel 35. I'll still scan through. It may not come in, but I guess we're just not pointing in the right direction. Sorry for that interruption. I guess we're not pointing in the right direction, and channel 35 does not come in as planned, but that's okay. We'll take what we got. So far, so good, and we enjoy the channels we got. The next project is to hopefully get some for the US, from the US, with our second antenna. That one's gonna be a little bit tougher. We might have to upgrade that antenna, but that one there is gonna be a project all by itself. Thanks for watching. Take care.